That's a long time.
Beep, beep, beep.
Oops, you forgot your bowl.
Oh. Beep.
Okay, give him to Andy. Andy, put some of your pepper on him.
Now what do you want me to cook you?
Yum, yum.
Full.
He's full. Andy, your turn to cook.
Andy, your turn to cook. Okay, sit down. Egg? No,
Can you go cook at the same time as him so I can see how much room there is in the kitchen?
Yeah. This. So like this. There's like room for 2 more.
2 more kids could be in there?
Yeah, like 2 more.
Wow. Go over to the grill side. He wants you to be out of the kitchen. Cook something for him on the grill. Thanks. Yummy bananas.
You full?
Oh, yep, I'm full. There
Okay.
you go.
Thank you.
Ooh, yum. Fried eggs. What else can you cook?
I know.
Can you show me all the cabinets?
Yeah.
Can you show me all the cabinets on the kitchen? Oh, you're busy cooking. Okay, thanks.
What?
That's silly.
Well,
Yummy. Thank you.